Welcome to another episode of the Tech Wizard series. My name is Michael George from the Panasonic Connect Mobility Division. Today we're going to cover the Panasonic TOUGHBOOK FC40. It's known for maximum productivity, extreme reliability, and today we're going to cover sustainable design. It's all about saving time and money. TOUGHBOOK 40 has 8 user upgradable areas, and we're going to cover those which can be purchased as accessories. Today's video will cover the removal and installation of the memory. Panasonic disclaimer: the customer is reliable for any damage to the system or replacement component while servicing the unit. In the event, the customer will be responsible for any and all charges related to the repair of the system by the Panasonic National Service Center. Let's get started. To remove the SSD, you're simply going to unlock the door, press down on the door bay, open the door, take the blue tab, and remove the SSD. To reinstall the SSD, make sure you have an SSD component, make sure the label is face down, reinsert it into the bay, close the door, press up on the latch, and lock your door. Thank you for joining this episode of the Tech Wizard series. If you have any questions, you can contact Panasonic support at 1-800-LAPTOP5 or email us at toughbook@us.panasonic.com.